Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Some Niger Deltans have prevailed on feuding members of the governing board of the Niger Delta Development Commission (Nddc) to sheath their swords and work as a team to achieve the commission's mandate. This follows reports in the media about an ongoing boardroom infighting over conflicting interests on the management and administration of Nigeria's foremost intervention agency.
Current board of the Niger Delta Development Commission (Nddc) was inaugurated on the 4th of January this year with a charge on its members to midwife drastic change in the management and administration of the commission. The newly inaugurated board members immediately reported for duty at the Commission's headquarters in Port Harcourt with a common resolve to change the processes of the Nddc. Their arrival was greeted with fanfare and high expectations. For too long, the anticipated board had been kept in abeyance, a development that necessitated the appointment of successive interim administrations to oversee the Commission's affairs. The appointment of a substantive Nddc board was celebrated for two main reasons. The long reign of interim administrations at the helms of the Commission's affairs was generally considered a violation of its Establishment Act. Moreover, many had looked forward to a properly constituted board with a membership that was truly representative of all shades of interest across 9 states comprising the Niger Delta region. Not long after they got down to work, speculations became rife that members of the Nddc board were on a warpath over official roles and responsibilities. This became public knowledge following several media reports and infighting tearing Nddc board members apart. In his reaction, Charles Jaja, a political activist based in the Niger Delta, is concerned that this development does not augur well for the region.
When two elephants are fighting, it is the grass that bears the blunt. Their in-house fighting does not portend well for the commission, and in the long run will certainly affect the workings and runnings of the place. What Niger Deltans want is acceleration of development.
With their appointment, members of the Nddc board are saddled with the onerous responsibility of implementing reforms introduced by the President Muhammadu Buhari administration. Constance Meju, a Port Harcourt-based journalist, advises feuding Nddc board members to look beyond personal interest and reposition the intervention agency for improved service delivery.
The Nddc was set up as an intervention body to develop the Niger Delta. We need mini industries. We need our youth engaged. We need our farmers empowered. We need good health institutions. We need good roads.
It is the considered opinion of Austin Anizo, a management consultant, that ongoing fray at the Nddc is fueled by external political interests, which the feuding parties must acknowledge and address as a matter of urgency.
There are interest groups, that benefit from the confusion. And I can assure you that there are probably people who don't want this confusion to end because it's benefiting them. Nddc is standing still and they're happy about it.
Peace advocates in the Niger Delta are convinced that an amicable settlement of their differences offers a win-win for feuding board members of the Nddc and better prospects for the development of the Niger Delta region.
Inside the Niger Delta,